Yeah. Because we need them. We need all the paintbrushes today.
What are we gonna learn about today?
I know. Surprise. All right. So what did we learn about last time?
We're doing colors. We learned about colors yesterday, and now we're doing more colors.
So what about the colors we learned? There's 3 different.
I know one. The try things. Try. It starts with try. Triangle.
Tertiary.
Tertiary.
Okay.
I knew it started.
Yeah, that's right. What colors are those?
Those are the ones that like the red, violet, blue, green, yellow, green. There's a whole bunch.
There we go. Okay, what about you?
There's primary colors.
What color are the primary colors?
Red, blue, and yellow.
That's right. And do you remember the secondary ones, Eric?
I do.
The ones between? If you mix red and blue, you get?
Purple.
All right, purple.
Then green.
And
blue.
high fives all around. Good job. Good job. Woo! So today we're going to learn a little bit more about colors.
Is there only supposed to be 3 people or 5?
3 plus me, 4. So, we're going to learn a little bit more about colors. So, when you see the color wheel, the color that is opposite from a color is called the complementary color. You guys have heard of it?
Yeah, I've heard that word before.
So, if we're looking at a green, what color's across from green? Elena.
Red.
Red, good job. So, what about blue? What's a complementary color? Orange. All right, I'm going to test you guys seeing the colors. What is the complementary color of yellow?
I think it is purple.
Yes. All right,
Got
this
that
one's
one
for you,
right.
Elena. What's the complementary color of orange? Can you remember?
Blue.
That's right. Eric, you ready for this one? The complementary color of green.
I know that one. Red.
Good job. All right. Okay, so those are the complementary colors. Then there are the analogous colors, which are the colors that they're their neighbors. So on the sides of red are yellow and blue. In between, yellow, green, and blue, green. So any color that's right next to a color, its neighbor is called analogous. Okay. Can y'all say that word? Analogous. That one's kind of hard for me sometimes. I'm like, analogous. So what color is analogous to, well, there's 2 colors. 2 colors analogous to the color red.
Red, violet, and red. What was the other one? Red, orange.
Yeah, okay, let's look at the primary color and the secondary colors. That might make it a little bit easier. All right, everybody look at it?
Yeah.
All right, now Elena, this one's for you. What color is analogous to yellow?
Yellow, green, and yellow, orange. Or orange, yellow. Which is
And what
violet.
about the secondary color? Okay, you're close. So you got the yellow, orange, and the yellow, green. So what color is that one? And orange.
Yellow.
No, you got it. Yeah, you got yellow, yellow, green. Good job. All right, Eric. Complementary colors, not complementary. Let's do the analogous color of blue.
Blue, green, and blue.
Oh, I know the other one. Awesome. And then what would be the secondary colors? Paige.
Okay, so the secondary colors of the analogous secondary colors. So for green, it'd be yellow, green, and what?
But that's, yeah. But let's do it for the primary color for blue. Does that make sense?
So for blue, it's blue, purple, and blue, green.
Okay.
Teal, which is
All right. Good job. Everybody knows the analogous colors. So now that we've introduced our primary colors and our tertiary and secondary and different parts of them, we're gonna talk a little bit about
The 7 elements
the
of art.
7 elements of art. Have you guys ever heard of
Those are
elements of art?
easy peasy lemon squeezy.
All right. So we have different pieces that kind of make up the pie of a piece of art. So we have line, shape, color, which we've talked about, value, form, texture, and space. And today we are going to talk about,
Line.
drum roll,
Shape.
space.
Crap.
It's okay.
Dang it.
Talk about
No.
space.
I saw the
And
little squares and I thought it was shapes.
yeah, we're going to shape another day. And there's also, besides the elements of art, there are the principles of art. So those are the pieces that help design these elements. So we're going to talk also about balance and repetition. Who knows what balance means?
Like balance, like so. Okay, it's hard to describe. So
Yeah.
it's like balance of colors. So like warm and cold, like the warm colors and the cool colors.
You can balance each other out.
Yeah, you could balance them out.
So we're kind of thinking of like balance, kind of like a weight. We want things either to be equal weight, or we want one thing to become heavier, another thing to become lighter. Does that make sense?
They need to become.
So in art, we can do the same thing visually with balance. For example, here's a little picture that I made with a flower. And you can see, okay, let's fold the paper in half. So this is the whole page, right? And there's only one picture, there's only one flower on this side, so it's not completely balanced.
Oh.
If we had one on this side too,
Oh,
it'd be
that is so
symmetrical.
cool. I got it all now.
Okay,
Yes.
does that make sense for everybody?
Yeah.
And then for repetition, who knows what repetition means? When something repeats. It's kind of like a pattern. Look at the graphs down here. I have a light green and medium green. Light, then medium. Light, medium. Page.
Okay, so the word you said, so it's
Repetition.
repetition. So it goes on in a pattern.
Sure, it's like a pattern.
Yeah.
So just an idea or a color or a shape that repeats. So that's what our project is going to be today. We get to pick from this box of colored paper, or there's even black.
The box of mystery.
We're going to pick a color for your background, and then you can take these shapes and
turn them into art.
turn them into a picture where you're going to use repetition, so you can repeat colors. And you're going to use balance, so you can either have it look exactly the same on each side, like you do 2 flowers, so they're the same, or you can have it not balanced or asymmetrical, like this one is, where there's like a shape here and a shape there. So there's different ways of creating balance. So that's what we're going to do for our project today. And final piece, now that we learned about complementary and analogous colors, you have to pick to use only complementary colors or analogous colors for your picture. Does that make sense?
I don't remember. Oh yeah.
So if you're going to decide to do complementary colors only, that means you're going to use either red with purple, yellow with purple, or red with green. Or if you're going to do analogous, we'll do like those 3. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so what color?
Not so much.
So that's a color scheme. So what color scheme do you want to do? Do you want to do analogous, the neighbors, or neighbors across the street?
I do it now.
You want to do analogous?
Yeah.
What do you want to do, Alina?
Neighbors across the street.
So you want to do the complementary colors? Okay.
Analogous.
Analogous. All right. Now you know what you're doing. Let's get a buckets and put them on the table.